all the like stones around, sort of just like what I wanted the space to look like. And then for the entrance area, I was thinking something like simple along the lines of that, with like we could put some sort of greenery on the top but still have it transparent to see the sky. And I drew the little like panther guard guys. And then
okay, and how do you see this tree in the garden?
You can have lights on.
It would be cool since it's leafless. It would be really good, really functional too, to have like anything that grows upwards, like vine waves, maybe. And then it would be like in the garden. Too.
These are two of the book. As you know, it's Little Prince, and it's like snake eating the elephant.
I'm mostly occupied on the bird back. I was thinking like a design like some paws on it, on the edges, going down.
Right.
And then paint like a different kind of red, like not like same red, but it would be like more purple red. Like one of those reds that you don't see every day.
Right.
Like, I was thinking like dividing sections and having each section use a different glaze or something like that. So it's kind of tiley and really colorful. I could say Panther Pride on it or something over everything.
So I was thinking about the weather vane, and first I drew a chicken on top of it.
Can you hold it up so they can see it?
But then I thought it was a panther, so I thought it would be best if you put a panther on top of the weather vane.
So,
and then the other thing that I thought of was the stump as a seat.
what is this, a stump?
A stump as a seat. So this is a littler version that shows the like roots of the bottom. This just shows kind of the top.
Oh, like you were saying, maybe like make a jar, then like add some one of them, grab it, you know. Maybe like, you know, it's holding bowls, but like it would be like something like a bird, like one hand a bowl of food for birds, and the other hand like a water bath.
It was I walked over to Lowwater and I kind of just focused on sketching different types of bark of all the trees that I looked at, because I thought it'd be interesting to not just have like uniform smooth sides even if they're curving around. So I was thinking we can do like mosaic bark tiles on the side, or some that like curve down and have a little more texture. And then
big leaves around it, like surrounding it like chairs, like individual seats around it. We have like the little things like this, have the vegetables and things going around it. I sort of have this idea for the arch. It's, you can ignore it, there's a lot going on, but right here, similar to what she was talking about the arch, I like the idea of having things hanging that we individually make. I mean, I'm trying to think about practically how we can all be able to incorporate our own like hands making something. And I know if we did, I mean, this is just a suggestion, but if we all made our own little pieces of vegetables, or even like people or figures or something like that, and we had it hang. I remember last semester we had a final project, and she put dancers, and I like that idea. Something big, maybe on a bigger scale, having it hanging from the arch that we could possibly buy, like a wooden arch or something.
Yeah. We must be sharing brainwaves because I had that idea too.
nice.
So basically, yeah, you described it exactly like I pictured it. I just used a wooden kind of idea for the archway. That could be changed. The main idea was just hanging little things that we made just to make it. Yeah, I mean, she described it perfectly. So yeah, that was an idea.
My first idea is like build this thing from like a stem from ground, and then have like a blueberry, and then like the stems are like the seed, and then like the inside would be like a birdhouse. And then also to build like a stem out of wood, but build it into like a recycle bin, but look like a trash bin.
This is a big kiln. This is the big oval kiln. What's a kiln? Oh, I'm sorry. A kiln? I'm sorry. I didn't know. A kiln is basically an oven. It's when you make something out of clay. It then has to be fired to make it get hard. And this is what it gets fired in. So it's called a kiln.